Okay, we're gonna excited. I'm gonna get home and be able to see a premiere. Riding on Ruby. By chance you haven't heard of that channel, Riding on Ruby is a pretty awesome channel. Pretty awesome person, you know, that makes the channel so good. And once you get to watch a few videos, make a few comments, you most likely have a friend for life, man. Yep. That's how it works in our community, it seems like. I haven't had nobody be rude or disrespectful. I mean, not in the community anyway. Like, how can I help? What you doing? No problem. Yeah, and freely give. So I'm pretty damn glad to be a part of. It's a great Africa twin, man. Nice. And we ran right into a stop door here, man. It's hard to go slow. As often as I get to go slow in traffic jams, I should be an expert at the slow race. People taking turns and getting in, that is awesome. The world would be a better place if we all did that. So, yeah, just a lot of good things to say about the people I've met through motovlogging, motorcycle, and the trucking community just as well. They're one and the same. So, and there's probably other communities out there that we just haven't been exposed to that are the same as well too. I've gotten to get to know a few of the truckers and the trucking communities, and they're supportive and loving and kind and caring, and yeah, so man, that's all I want in my life is people like that. So, and I try to give it out the same. Use the principle of reaping and sowing. If you don't sow apples, right? Or if you're sowing apples, don't expect oranges. How's that? I was about to make it confusing. Just don't have expectations, okay? If you're sowing kindness, give it. You're not going to receive it. And if you're not perceiving kindness from somebody or something, you can give them a little prayer, man, you know, on the side, on your own, because somebody in that shape is really hurting themselves. They got no power over you. We know what we do when we respond in negativity and ill manner. We carry that ourselves. We never really gave it to nobody. Now some people take it that way, and we gives us the illusion what we do works or something like that. But no. Hate breed. Don't breed hate. Maturing in the spiritual realm and growth into an adult. Not the adult like I used to think what was up. The adult was I get to do what I want and say what I want and go where I want and spend what I want, eat what I want, and tell you what to do. That was my vision of being an adult, was to be the boss. And an adult is way more loving, caring, and understanding of others' needs, and being more selfless in your own life. And we don't take offense to other people's sickness or defects of character, sin in the world. They're all pretty much the same thing. Just think about that, you know. So if you're not getting the attention you need or whatever, then why did you agree that you needed that attention, right? I don't need that attention. I have everything I need. I'm fulfilled. I don't need to fill a void today. Like me earlier, you know, like say like with the R1 and putting conditions on my happiness. I mean, yeah, I get frustrated and I get out of character sometimes, and I say a few things about that R1 that I shouldn't. And then when it all goes right, I'm all happy, you know, like, goodness, I can't let that sway me so far left or right, you know. It's nice that it's running, it's nice that it's good. I just think of far worse things sometimes when it's not going. Like, that piece of crap, I ain't taking that thing nowhere. I'm not bringing that to VAM 24, and yeah, because you know you don't want to inconvenience people with that, because you don't know when she's gonna go down again. He is a finicky problem child. Yes, I'm a problem child. Woo. So that is really cool. I got something good to say on the way home anyway. I don't usually get too chatty on the way home. Makes my videos way too long. I don't even know if my, you know, I think my videos are just you know, decent. They're watchable. They're could be entertaining at times. It could be probably boring. I don't know, because I'm me, and I even like watching my videos. I learn from it. And I'm like, yeah, man, that's good stuff right there, Dean. I like that. That's nice. Love what you do. Enjoy what you do. These are my creations, you know, and they're all bits and pieces and parts of y'all. It ain't just me. Where do we? Nobody's an original originator. Man, I pick up tons of stuff from so and so and so and so and this and that, and what to do, what I don't want to do, and pick up information that works well. Break my closed-mindedness. Like having to, what I do, I really don't need, say, like 60 frames per second. The struggle of the big files that it takes to push those around, and the time it takes. I'm going to be saving myself a lot of video editing time by not having to wait 20-30 seconds per move sometimes when I cut and paste. Sometimes I have to stop and reboot my whole computer because it's just too much for it. I had to back off the person a couple times behind me, but they stay good back. Look how far back they are now, although I do not see a light. Yeah, we got congestion ahead too, apparently. Yeah, I thought it'd be stopped up here badly. Looks like it is, though. We might want to take the Ray exit. That's just what we'll do, because we know better. Oh, there isn't a line up there. I thought there was. Looks can be deceiving. This line ain't gonna be that bad either. We still get home at a decent time, taking this way. There's our little lane switcher, bouncing left and right. He didn't get no farther past it, nobody. No farther. Hey, yeah. Did you get farther? Oh, wait. No, I didn't. Yeah, we'll make it home in time for Riding on Ruby show. Think of that. Like those are the things that are on my mind. Being there and supporting your friends can be exciting for him. I think it's his first premiere. How awesome is that going to be? Fantastic. I'm stoked. I'm happy. I'm grateful. Getting some good wind past the old jugs today. Number one priority, Harley Davidson riding. Wow, I just felt something pop up and hit my stuff down there. I don't know what that was. Okay, we're gonna wrap this vlogger upper. Yeah. We made it home. Oh man. We made it home and made it safe, and it was a pretty great commute home. That's what be on my mind for the day. That is what's exciting. Happiness on the way home. Thankfulness. Gotta wipe things down. So I told the hooligan, gotta wipe your lenses. I got a little bit of a lens problem. So, yeah. This one's done. Hallelujah. Hope you enjoyed yourself. I know I did. And I get Motovlog tools here. I'm gonna shut all these off. Bye.